Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Petersfield is a small lakeside community in the rural municipality of St. Andrews, located north of Winnipeg, near the southern basin of Lake Winnipeg. It's a quiet community with a population of a few hundred permanent residents. In the summer months, that number grows as cottage owners and visitors arrive to enjoy the lake and surrounding natural areas. This mix of year-round residents and seasonal activity gives Petersfield a relaxed but active character. The history of Petersfield is tied to both agriculture and its proximity to Lake Winnipeg. Settlement in the area began in the late 19th century as farmers established homesteads on the fertile land nearby. Over time, its location near the water also made it attractive as a recreational destination. What began as a farming area gradually developed into a community that combines rural living with cottage-style properties and lake access. Lake Winnipeg plays a central role in shaping life in Petersfield. As one of the largest freshwater lakes in the world, it has long been an important resource for fishing, transportation, and recreation. The shoreline near Petersfield provides access to boating, swimming, and fishing, especially during the warmer months. The lake also influences the local climate, often bringing cooler breezes in summer and contributing to changing conditions throughout the year. Fishing has been a consistent part of the area's identity for generations. Lake Winnipeg supports a commercial fishing industry as well as recreational fishing, with species such as walleye and perch drawing anglers from across the region. Petersfield serves as a convenient access point to the lake, making it a popular spot for those looking to spend time on the water. The community itself is made up of a mix of permanent homes, cottages, and seasonal properties. Streets are often quiet, lined with trees and open spaces, while nearby areas provide access to marinas and small local businesses. Although Petersfield does not have the size or services of a larger town, it functions as part of a broader network of communities in St. Andrews, where residents travel to nearby areas for schools, shopping, and healthcare. Seasonal change is especially noticeable in Petersfield. Summers are the busiest time of year, with increased activity along the shoreline and in surrounding areas. Autumn brings cooler weather and fewer visitors, while winter transforms the landscape into a quieter, snow-covered setting. Ice fishing becomes a common activity on the frozen lake, continuing the tradition of using the water as a resource throughout the year. Spring marks a transition period, as melting ice and rising water levels signal the return of warmer conditions. The broader region around Petersfield includes farmland, wetlands, and natural habitats that support a variety of wildlife. This mix of environments adds to the appeal of the area, particularly for those interested in outdoor activities and nature. Birds, fish, and other wildlife are part of the everyday landscape, reinforcing the connection between the community and its surroundings. Historically, the area has also been influenced by transportation routes and regional development. As roads improved and access to Winnipeg became easier, Petersfield and similar communities became more attractive for recreation and seasonal living. This gradual shift helped shape the community into what it is today, a place that balances rural tradition with leisure and outdoor activity. Today, Petersfield continues to reflect the importance of both land and water in Manitoba's development. It is a community where agriculture, recreation, and natural resources come together. While small in population, it plays a role in the larger regional identity, offering a place where people can connect with the landscape and experience a quieter pace of life. Thanks for watching!